Hello friends, you're watching TNOLS channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy M52 or M52 5G Wi-Fi problem. Wi-Fi not working or Wi-Fi not connecting problem. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix Wi-Fi not working or not connecting problem in Samsung Galaxy M52 or M52 5G, simply first of all you just need to open settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.